Good morning, sir. I'm B. Lokesh Sagar from AIML B section, handling this project of individualization of learning through AI in our education systems. So I'm gonna give a brief information in this that overview of traditional education modules. That is nothing but what's our education system is there right now and how it's gonna affect on this particular path, and education is shifting from one size fits all approach. This approach is nothing but I can say that all students are sitting in a single classroom and listening to the same lecture which is given by a teacher, but each student has a separate mindset and each has a separate knowledge about the subject. Each student wanna gain a separate information about a particular topic. So I think this approach is shifting now by implementing this AI, and the AI, how's the rise of AI in education. So the rise of AI in this education, I can say that by implementing or inserting this AI in education system is highly a great uh, talk. I can say it's a great idea, and the goals here improve engagement, retention and outcomes. How's the student gonna engage with this AI and how he gonna learn this from himself individual, how individualized he can learn about the topic. And what is individualized learning? Here comes the topic individualized learning. Individualized learning is nothing but a student, he himself wanna learn something that on a particular topic he need to have the particular information, tailoring learning experiences to each student. This line clearly says that each student should need a separate learner, sorry, a separate teacher. Teacher in not the word, it says that a human as something which we are learning from is called teacher. So factors that considered in this individualized learning are learning pace, preferred style, strengths and weaknesses. This learning pace is nothing but how we gonna learn, and preferred the style. Preferred style is a student can be listen in a soft manner and in a simple words, and the another students is compared to this he had the more knowledge and he gonna uh, take some different style, different way how he wanna learn, and the strengths and weaknesses. Here comes that individualized learning strengths. So if we are working on a topic, it gives the more information and it gives the more technology. It uses all the technology and it provides all the information regarding to it and supports self-paced and flexible education. This flexible education, the word says that it's more friendly, eco-friendly, and it can easily communicate with a student that what he wanna do and what's the topic he wanna learn. So a role of AI in this in our education system, how it gonna had that that impact in our education systems. Data driven personalization of a learning path. This says that if we want a particular information, the data is driven from various from websites or of various apps, from various authors, various books, which are uh, which the AI is gonna provide us, and intelligent tutorial systems provide instant feedback. These tutorial systems are nothing but these tutor systems are nothing but it gives an instant feedback for a student that if he asks a clear cut question, they're gonna give a immense answers and the best answers, optimal solutions. Like it can give an optimal solutions for a student, and adaptive assignments adjust questions difficult. So adaptive assignments for every student, he need to write some assignments and he need to give some answers after he learning a particular topic, because he what he have learned he should prove in that particular assignments. And predictive analytic identifying struggling students early. So this predictive analytics are nothing but we are as a teacher can analyze a student by his marks and his way of talking, what is his knowledge. So in this AI education system also it's gonna do the same thing. So benefits of AI based individualization. These benefits compared with now a regular education system enhances student engagement with AI. This student engagement with AI gonna had a huge topic, like a student what he wanna gain knowledge he can ask the AI directly. So it provides a real-time feedback. As I said, it provides an optimal solutions. It provides a real-time feedback. It gives an more examples regarding to this, and encourages a self-directed learning. This self-directed learning, the word says that he or she, the student himself, going to the AI and asking the questions or else the uh, particular topic about himself, and it encourages him to move on efficiently, like a he need to learn more by himself and his curiosity, that's, and reduces burden on teachers automatic routine tasks. This is nothing but there is not more needed of teachers, but I can't say there is no need, but there is not more need of teachers when this AI gonna implement in our education system. And here are some tools of AI which gives some information: Duolingo, Khan Academy, Coursera, Smart Classrooms. This has some specific, as of I given that adaptive learning language, personalized practice sets, AI-based recommendations, real-time students monitoring. These gonna play a major role in future. Now it's going on giving answers now. Maybe in future, if it interacts with AI, it's going to be a different path. And impact on teachers, how this is impacting on teachers, has teachers act as a mentors and guides. AI handles repetitively tasks like grading, process tracking. Teachers focus on creativity, emotional support, and critical thinking. This last line which is I provided here is the main line of this whole PPT. Teachers focus on creativity, emotional support, and critical thinking. So this AI cannot provide us a emotional support, and it cannot give us a critical thinking skills, and it cannot be more creative compared with students. So compared with the teachers. So AI provides only what we have asked, but a teacher uh, understands a student mentality, and a teacher will give more information for the student. So challenges of AI in individualization. So the challenges gonna be given by the data privacy and security concerns, over reliance on technology, accessibility gap, teacher training, acceptance. This data privacy and security concerns are, if a student's gonna ask some questions, the data is so secured and the data is given more, that over reliance word says that if a student asks a meaning of a simple word, the AI gonna enhance it and it gives more information about the word. And accessibility gap. Accessibility gaps are the resources of AI in VRs and ARs. So VR is nothing but a virtual reality and AR is nothing but a augmented reality. Teacher training and acceptance. How the teacher gonna train and accept our things here in the same manner. This AI gonna train and accept our questions and else our doubts, queries, etc. and etc. So, future of AI in education. How it's gonna be the future of AI? It's a fully adaptive classrooms, AI-driven learning companions, integration of VR or AR with AI, immersive learning, lifelong personalized education pathway. This fully adaptive classrooms as of I said, it contains more like having a classroom with a AR and VR installed for an average student, and that data learning companions are the personal uh, tutors uh, they are collecting the information and driven to the students directly. And this VR and AR is nothing but augmented reality. Now what we are using now, like laptops, mobile phones, screens, TVs, etc. And we need to update this AR from VR. Sorry, we need to update this AR to VR. VR is nothing but a virtual reality which is not existed in the real world. Lifelong personalized education pathway. In this, we can learn in such a way that a student, not only a student, and everyone can learn from this. So everyone can learn from this in future education in this AI education system. So the conclusion of this topic is AI makes learning more personalized, efficient, and inclusive. These three words is the conclusion of this ad. Personalized, efficient. Personalized is nothing but what the query is asked, what the information it given, and individualization ensures every learner gets the support they need. So individualization. If I wanna learn a particular course on AI, so if I start searching on AI, it gives more information, and then I can have the support that I'm getting the information. Why I can't learn? So this had the power to learn a student and future. How it gonna be there? AI plus teachers working together for better experience. I can say that if this is AI, this is teacher. If they both combine together and work on students, it's gonna excellent, and we can get ethical values from teachers and how to live in society, and the information from AI, as well as we can get information from teachers and AI both effectively, and we can be the best learner when these teachers and AI both cross and they both are handling a particular topic. It will be the better experience, and it will be the best experience for a student. So, thank you, sir. This is my topic and this is my PPT.